morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, and this is our 615th video, baby. Yeah. Traders, these videos are about technical analysis. They are geared for trading tomorrow. So tonight is Monday night. This is August 9th that we are filming this video for you to trade on August 10th. It is a day trading video for trading August 10th. Traders, before I go any further, let me just say to you that futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss, and I mean substantial. Please be careful. Do not trade these markets unless you have risk capital and you do technical analysis, and of course you use your stops. For you traders out there that understand stops must be in, use technical analysis, and do trade the markets, we have a video set up for trading on Tuesday, August 10, 2010. We are going after sugar again, traders, the sugar market one more time. The last video we gave you, we told you indices were mixed, and we were going after the short side of sugar, and we were able to clip a nice piece out of the sugar drop so far, and we think the sugar has more downside, and I have a couple of quick charts I'm going to show you in just a moment about that. Traders, tomorrow, Tuesday, is a Fed Day, FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, or Fed Day meeting. We do not trade indices on a Fed Day, but I will say this. The possibility of them raising or lowering rates is 0%. There is no way on this planet they're touching rates tomorrow. So there'll be no surprises. Of course, whatever their wording will be, that will shake up the markets a little bit. But possibly, if there's some sort of an early morning trade setup, we might do a hit and run in the S&P because of the fact that we know the Fed's got nothing to do here, and markets are not going to change direction based upon Tuesday's announcement, because the announcement is the same thing it was the last Fed Day and the one before that and the one before it. No change is going to happen. However, we do not trade on Fed days as far as holding positions and doing our normal omni trading, because traders, here's the one thing that we cannot count on. Yes, we can figure out whether or not the Fed is going to move rates higher or lower or not at all. That you can figure out. What will the traders of the world do as a reaction once the news comes out? That you cannot figure into. There was a day and time a couple of years back where if the Fed was going to make a move, you basically knew where the market would go. But those days are long gone, traders. There are so many hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of new traders out there with electronic platforms that get right into the market. We have no idea how humans will interpret tomorrow's news. Therefore, there's no way of knowing where this thing's going. It is way bigger than it used to be, the game that we played today. No way to know where it's going to go. On a Fed day, we do nothing in the indices. But that doesn't stop us from having some fun in the sugar market. We have a trade set up in sugar. Traders, you come on down to our site at www.livewithoscar.com. Jump into the free chat room and allow us to show you where that sugar trade is and how we are going to handle it. Traders, I have two quick charts. I'm going to show them to you now. Chart segment short, and then we'll get out of here. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, you are looking at the daily sugar chart. It is the October daily bar chart. You are looking at the chart, the very same one I showed you in our video just a couple of days ago. I left you off with sugar looks bearish. Why? Because we've broken out of this channel and below the 200 bar moving average. Now, this is the picture that we had just 2 days ago before we started trying to sell the sugar. I would like to now move this to the left and show you exactly what it looks like as of the settlement on Monday. Okay, traders, clearly as you can see, the analysis was correct. The Omni was looking for the proper move because we did, in fact, we were here last, right? That was the last chart I showed you. First, we dropped this bar, and then we put this bar in today. It ended up down here. Its high was right at the 200 bar moving average. And we dropped pretty sharply, traders. Very nice call from Omni. Very nice set of technical analysis. And we think that this can move a bit lower. Let me show you the technical indicators now, because the indicators clearly are pointing towards at least one more down day for trading on Tuesday in the sugar. Let's go look at that. Okay, traders, you were looking at 4 technical indicators overlaid on the daily sugar October bar chart. The first one is your CCI, or Commodity Channel Index, and clearly, traders, you can see that that is pointing lower. Undoubtedly, both averages pointing lower, room to move lower. That would be a bearish indication. Just below that, you have the momentum indicator, and clearly that one is pointing lower. Below that, you have RSI, or Relative Strength Index. Clearly, relative strength is pointing lower. And below that, you have slow stochastics. And traders, the stochastics just started to get into an accelerated mode here. They look like they want to go lower. The other indicators I pulled are bearish. The formation is bearish. Therefore, technical analysts or traders who trade technical analysis would have no choice but to sell the rallies in sugar on Tuesday, and that is what us Omniacs are going to do. Pull your own charts, do your own homework, take a look at the sugar, and tell me what you think. So, traders, you've seen those charts. That's my technical argument for going short again on Tuesday in the sugar market. Again, we don't just get right in. We wait for the market to hit key Omni testing levels. Then we enter into a position. Please make sure that you follow the Omni if it agrees with your homework, if you are taking the sugar trade. If your plan is to follow my plan, then please follow your plan. All right, traders. Let's see what happens. It's early in the week. I got to get out of here. Give me a calling time day or night, 702-629-4755. Once again, traders, thank you so much for the traders who've been upgrading to the gold and platinum memberships. We really appreciate you giving back to the community. Thank you so much. All right, traders, don't forget, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Always remember, futures trading is risky and can absolutely result in substantial financial loss. Traders, trading futures is not for everybody. It's not suitable for every trading account. And as always, past performance is not indicative of future results.